to another video. So today we are going to be doing a video on where I solve the Rubik's Cube in all states of color blindness. Like, as you can see, we have that, and that. So as you can see, all of these are the colorblind modes that I have on this app. So yeah, so these, I'm going to try and solve a Rubik's Cube and all of these. Actually, it's really only those three because this is just the normal one. So, first we are going to do this one. So, and we are going to time every solve. So, start scrambling. Okay, so we can see those do not match up. Those two, so those look like they match up. So that looks like they match up. So now we got that, like that, and then same with that. Those match up, so we can bring that down, and then we can do that to get the cross. So we can get that first F12 pair. That's blue. That's orange, I believe, because the normal color scheme goes from starting with green. It goes green, orange, blue, red. So this is red, I think. Or I'm pretty sure it's red. So here we go. Let's see. I forgot to start the timer. So I'm just gonna start that now. And here we go. So let's see. Wait, no, that can't be anything because... So now look, now what we gotta do is... No... So we gotta think. For this, I just don't think I'm gonna use the F12 method because it's not really called the F12 method. I'm just not gonna do the... Oh, those are supposed to be swapped. So now we gotta get it to the point where it's like... So guys, if something is going wrong for you guys where it like starts to black out, everything's okay. I'm just going to go over here and just change it real quick. So we can go to display and brightness, and we can go down to here. So I gotta turn my low power mode off, so I'm sorry about this, guys. I'm just doing this real quick. So now here we go. Here we go. So now we can restart back where we were. So I think those match up. No, that's just yellow. So then it has to be this one. Now we got that. Now it's anti-soon. We got that on the top. Got that. have I done? I think I just messed it up. So here we go. It's been 2:47. I'm so sorry I messed this up, guys. I'm at 3:12. This is horrible. Sorry that I keep messing up the tripod. Yes, and that. And now we can go over here and here. Do that. Nope, that does not go there. That goes there. My 3:51 already, guys. There it is. So that's in there. Now we can do that. Okay. So guys, 4:24 right now. So here we go. This right here kind of looks like a J perm right there. So this could be a J perm. It's just I don't know how to do a J perm, or else I would have done a J perm. Finally, we got it. Now we can see if we got it. And as you can see, those both look solved. Now we can stop the timer. 5:12. That took a while. Sorry about that. So here we go. I think I'm going to do this one. Actually, first let's go with this. Whoa! This is the white side. Wait a minute. Guys, are you seeing what I'm saying? Those both sides are white. So look, the checkerboard looks cool, except you're like, okay, those? Look, if I also have common, look. You can barely tell any difference between those whites. Barely any difference. So that's gonna be hard. So here we go. I guess since it's already here, we're just gonna okay. 3, 2, 1, go. So I like these colors, except the only thing is that's confusing. So let's go here. Okay, this is like the most confusing thing on planet Earth because I'm like looking right here and I'm like, oh, I need to put this into here. But I already have it there because one of these is yellow or white. So I don't know which is which. Let's see. Okay, this is like the most confusing thing ever. That was a 52-second cross. Wow. So we got that right there. So we got that F2L pair. So we got two F2L pairs in. Now we can do this. Two. Get that. Turn. Those look like they're the same, so we want to turn it that way. That is so freaking confusing. How are you supposed to understand this? Guys, if you have this kind of color blindness, I feel so sorry for you. I really hope that you do well. And this is just confusing. There we go. That's another pair. So now let's go to... That would be a pair if I was doing it a separate way, but that won't work. So let's just... What corner am I supposed to use? That one? No, wait, what? Wait a minute, where's the corner then, guys? Wait. Those don't match, though. Where is it? Where is it? Where is it, guys? That's right there, so we can... Oh my gosh. Put that in. There's that. I messed that up. There, that is. So now that looks like a U perm. I actually don't know what to call this. It could be H perm or U perm. So guys, it's time to see what we got. I'm gonna cover up the camera. What? Oh, those two are flipped? Guys, that was really confusing for me because the white and yellow just looked completely the same. So we stopped 422. Not bad. So guys, this is our last color blindness, and it's Deuteranope. I don't know what to call it, but looks like the colors are just, those two kind of look the same, but they're not too equivalent. These two, it'll just be a little hard, so it won't be the hardest. So here we go. Let me restart it. And 3, 2, 1, go. So looks like those line up because they look the same. Put that there. That looks the same, right? Yeah. And I can take that out, put it there. 20-second cross. Wow, wait. Sorry guys, I messed that up. So here we go. We need to find the blue and then that. So that's it. Put that there. That goes right there. Okay. Now, as we can see, if we move that's an F12 pair. I think, yep, it goes in like that. And then we can do that. To get that F12 pair, and get that. Got the top for the OLL. Got that. And this looks like another U-perm. I don't know if it's an H perm or U perm or whatever. So that was 144, 454. So we're gonna change to that. And it looks like we actually got it. So guys, I really hope you liked this video. And thank you for sticking until the very end if you did. And I'll see you later, guys. Peace out.